Okay guys, so this is the back to school, and we already have the prime, bag, so, cause this is my new lunchbox. Watch me, open it up. Okay. Just trying to. I'm gonna stop cutting from this side. It's so hard. I'll be here for a while, folks. Oh, I'm done. Mom, go put the scissors.
Put the scissors back in the drawer, right over there.
Oh. No, where's Rex?
Right here.
Oh. Okay, I'm back. I was just putting my things back. Whoa. Oh my god, no way.
What?
It's a Nintendo Switch.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's a Nintendo Switch, bro. I didn't know that. Ugh. How do I open this? You need some more scissors. Hey guys, so as I open this up, I'm gonna tell you a video. So, oh wait, actually no. Look, I'm gonna speed this video up, and you can watch. What's it called? You can watch a show up there.
I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig.
Peppa and her family are at the swimming pool. Daddy Pig is wearing his swimming costume. Mummy Pig is wearing her swimming costume. Peppa is wearing her swimming costume.
Hurry up, George. Everyone's waiting.
George is wearing his swimming costume.
Peppa, George, let Daddy put on your armbands.
Introducing the new and improved Nintendo Switch. You can eat inside. You can eat inside the new Nintendo Switch game. The new Game Boy something.
What's that?
It's
Is that one part?
so much better, bro. Whoever got this for me. Okay, so I got A for jump, B to I forgot. X to run, I think. Y to run. Well, my leg is hurting, so I'll see you later, guys.